Video of my 81 F-350 utility truck I recently got. It's got a little bit of a rust problem. Thankfully the rockers aren't bad, but there is definitely, I guess it's really just right here that's going bad. Dirty as can be. Those little flecks that are shiny down there are garbage. Yeah. Was originally owned by the Alpena Aggregate Company, but let's start her up. She's got the i6 300 cubic inch displacement engine and a 4-speed manual transmission, and she's carbureted in. Not that bad sounding. Anyways, there's power. It starts up smooth. Oil pressure comes up nice like it should. She's a smooth old girl. I'll do a quick rock around for you guys. I know everyone's gonna want to know what the heck it is. Shut the door. Definitely needs door seals. They're bad. Completely gone. I do need to do some adjustments on the engine, but I need to replace the valve train gasket here. And the seal that's right down here, that whole seal's got to be replaced. And she leaks at that point. Other than that, close the hood real quick. What she looks like. Living, breathing piece of history. Not half bad, I must say. I will replace ultimately all the lights on the externally on it with LEDs, maybe even the headlamps. Engine drives pretty good, I gotta say.